Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. Well, SUI is currently pulling back a little bit, so we have a small pullback, but the price is not really crashing down or anything. It's not a significant move down, but there has certainly been this reaction to the $1.77 level, which is one of the key levels that I mentioned to you as well, ideal target for the red count, the red C wave in our wave 2. That's the bearish count. And obviously we have to consider both wave counts. We have to consider the yellow one, which is the bullish one. There's even an even more bullish scenario, but there's no need to talk about that right now because we did that before, and in this video I just want to focus on the shorter time frames. And actually, until the yellow count is exhausted, I can't, we don't even need to talk about the white count too much because the yellow count allows for higher prices anyway. But in the short term, we have to be very mindful that the red wave count could have formed the top. So in the red scenario, this is a wave 2 corrective rally, which formed an A wave in 5 waves, which was the rally, and actually wave 1 down, and then wave 2 up, and this was an A wave up, which topped around the 12th of August, B wave down, bottomed early in September, and the C wave up here, 25th of September high. And yeah, might have topped there basically today. And we just have to be mindful that with this structure, ABC, so with this ABC structure, that the chart can form a top at any point here, especially because the $1.77 level is that 100% extension target of the initial A wave, which, well, is a target for wave C. But as I said, as long as we're holding above support, there is no confirmed top in the red count. For me, it would require a break below $1.15 to really confirm that wave 2 in red has formed the top. Red is also not the preferred scenario, but my preference is the yellow scenario, which should move higher. And what I'm not quite sure about, because we can never really be sure, but again, the microstructure here is a little bit ambiguous, even though it looks impulsive, but we don't have another deep pullback that would give us some clarity where we are. So I give you my best interpretation, and it might mean that in pullbacks we don't quite get into the support area. Pullbacks might be shallow. For now, I see this here as potentially already the wave 4, even though I have to say that I think it becomes more and more likely that we're still in this third wave. But that would become clear with a break above $1.77, $1.78. Then we would see further upside extensions, possibly even to $2.18 in this wave 3. For now, I leave it open. The third might have topped or not. Important is that circle 3 should take us to $2.47 plus, because that's the 1.38 extension, the first ideal target for such a third wave, as long as the $1.15 level is holding. I mean, these are actionable levels, and once we have circle 3 completed, we can watch for circle 4, and then another rally in wave 5 can happen. This is at the moment the chart, and we haven't even come close to the previous swing low here at $1.49. So this can still easily extend higher more directly. It's just difficult to say where exactly we are in this microstructure. But the last key level that we could use to position or to focus on higher is $1.49, the last swing low. Below that low, I would have to assume that wave 4 really is unfolding. And then these 3 levels come into play: $1.45, $1.28, and $1.15. So overall, however, we should see higher prices. I will have to change my view below $1.15. But yeah, as I said, wave 5 of 3, then a larger 4, then a larger 5th wave. And then maybe we go even higher from there in the white count, but that can take us to 850 plus. But we are far away from that. So let's not get ahead of ourselves here. And let's not get too excited. So I hope you liked the update about SUI. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.